Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is my latest engine, and the last few days I've been working at building a reversing valve for it. Special thanks to Ramon from the United Kingdom for sending me the basis for the design which I have. There, I've just shut it off. Now if I swing it one way, it's revolving counterclockwise. If I bring it back to zero, it stops. If I bring it the rest of the way, it's revolving counterclockwise. I'm just tickled pink. I never built a reversing valve before, and really I wasn't terribly sure of what was involved, but that's all there is to it, what you're seeing there. But I'll tell you, there's a lot of delicacy in the fitting of everything, so you don't have raging air leaks. But there we are, one direction. There we are, stopped. There we go the other direction. One of the things that you'll ask me is, why does it run so much faster in one direction than the other? It's only because this engine has about 3 hours running time in the one direction. It has no running time whatsoever in the opposite direction. Now I got to turn the pressure up. There we go. So it runs a little slower there just because the engine has never ran in that direction before. But I'm pretty impressed with this. It's pretty sweet. There is a little bit of throttle action in the last maybe 5 degrees of movement of that arm, but this is not really intended as a throttle. It's intended purely as a reversing valve, and it does the job most spectacularly. Thank you very much to Ramon, and thank you very much to the people who are following my build on the forums. Bye for now.